the reminded half from the roll, from the half of the roll actually. It's a 17, 90, 2000. Looking for wide AM. No. Valve. 1995. This one has a rim error, so rim doesn't. It's an offset error. Rim isn't here, but I wouldn't say it's an error. I mean, it's an error, but not a good one. I have some pennies with that error, and I can't sell them.